my god. I'm getting so sick of Natasha Denona. This is my 11th video. I have been doing a Natasha Denona marathon. I have done 10 Natasha Denona videos back to back. And I think I'm officially like done. But I can't because I have 2 more palettes to go. And today's video is gonna be with the Love palette. I just got back from work and this is the time that it seems to be working out for me to film a video. I used to film videos in the morning sometimes when I was working from home, but I can't, now I work in person, so I just can't imagine doing a video in the morning and then rushing to work. That kind of schedule just doesn't work out. And I got my mini Coke can today. I told you guys that minis taste better than the 12 ounce. Unfortunately, by mistake, I ordered the regular Coke instead of Coke Zero, so it's gonna taste super, super sweet. It's so funny, once you get used to a taste, that's what you end up liking. Like, I prefer Coke Zero taste over the regular Coke. Ugh. And today I want to talk about what my plans are for this channel. And part of me thinks I shouldn't talk about my plans because I have undiagnosed ADHD and I make plans and then I never follow them. But let's create a fun look with this palette. I'm going to start off with this shade first called First. So I am looking to explore into the indie space a little bit more. I don't want to spend a lot of money. Oh, I forgot to put concealer. So I do hope that eventually I can get on indie makeup's PR lists and not have to buy the palettes because I am definitely on a makeup budget this year. And so my content is gonna be a mix of new makeup and old makeup. I did a poll on my community tab and you guys were split like half and half pretty much. Half of you wanted new makeup content and half of you wanted old. And so you know what? I'm gonna do both because I'm happy to do both. I love trying on new stuff, but I also love using my old makeup. So I'm applying this shade in the inner bone area of the eye and the brow bone. Nice. Very nice, easy to apply, no issues. Because, as I said before, I'm getting sick of Natasha Denona and I don't want to do Natasha Denona palette videos anymore. Oh, this looks like a beige shade, but actually, it has like a peachiness to it. It's like a pinky peachy shade. Does not look pinky peachy in the pan at all. And then in my crease, I'm gonna go with this shade right here called Intense. So with my channel, I think one thing that I'm gonna focus on is showing up consistently. In the past, I am known to take breaks and I end up disappearing for like a month. And you're like, where did this girl go? And so one thing that I want to change is to actually show up consistently. This is not a good brush for the crease. This is, I think, Urban Decay brush. Oh, that's so much better. Because the other brush was so compact, it was actually not letting the shade stay on the eye. It was kind of like taking it off as it was putting it on. It's so weird. I'm gonna go into this shade here called Soul, and then I'm gonna dip into this shade here called Heartbeat. All right, I'm gonna put that in the outer part of the eye. So I think with my channel, I want to do something different. I do want to stay unique. I don't want to be the typical channel that just does new makeup and new makeup reviews. I do want to be a little bit different, so I'm definitely gonna add content with old makeup. Not sure exactly how. I mean, I did for the last 2 weeks use old makeup. I did a Natasha Denona marathon, and maybe I'll do a few more marathons. Maybe I'll do a Nomad marathon or a Sigma marathon. Now I'm going into that darker shade called Heartbeat. I want to use a different brush, maybe something smaller. If you guys have any fun ideas of what kind of videos to do, please let me know. So I'm tapping in Heartbeat, kind of like diagonally like this, and into the crease a little bit. I'm gonna take Commitment, this shade over here. It looks kind of purple actually. And put just a little bit in the outer corner. And I'm being very light and gentle with this shade. I think I'm gonna go with Pure Love right here in the middle. It's like a purple shade. And you know what? I'm gonna mix the pink and the purple. We're gonna do it. And it looks nice. Let's try to bring Transparent, this shimmer shade right here. See how that looks. Close to the inner corner. I'm actually gonna use a brush and kind of spread it out a little bit. So these shades don't look that vibrant. All right, that actually looks really nice. Not reflective, but I like how the colors look next to each other. And then for my lower lash line, I'm gonna take Heartbeat and put that in the lower lash line. I'm gonna put Intense to smudge out the bottom. Intense is this shade right here. Yeah, I like it. I think it looks nice. So I'm gonna finish up the other eye, put on some makeup, and I'll be back. All right, so here is the finished look, and I really like it. The shades are not lustrous or like super shiny, but the colors are really beautiful and they blend nicely with each other. Yeah, so I think overall the Love palette has a really nice color story, very romantic color story. I thought this look was gonna come out looking pink, and somehow I just had this desire to use the purple shimmer shade, and I think that worked out well. And for my lips, I used the ABH lipstick in the shade Rum Punch. This is a good lipstick if you ever want to do a dark makeup look. Alright, so today was a short video. I have one more palette to go, the Glam palette, and I'm thinking after that I'll do a ranking video of my entire collection, which is ranking 12 of my Natasha Denona palettes. If you want to see that ranking video, let me know in the comment down below. And if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.